the issue of this referendum is still a legal matter in terms of what the government has done and the failures on the part of the government. Look at the irony of this, Hippolito, that you have an injunction that's still in place, an injunction that has not been lifted, and yet the Prime Minister requested a new date for this referendum, that new writs be issued, and he requested that of the Governor General. The Governor General was requested to sign 31 writs of referendum based on a new law, a flawed law, when there was an injunction in place. Now on Monday, the government is going to try to lift that injunction, almost putting the cart before the horse, no? That this should never have happened. When you operate, when there's an injunction and you continue to behave as if there's nothing stopping you from going ahead with your plans, you are operating in contempt of that injunction. In effect, you're operating in contempt of court. And the Prime Minister just went right ahead and did that, putting the Governor General in legal jeopardy, in effect putting the Crown in legal jeopardy because the Governor General is a representative of the Crown. And that is where we are right now as a nation. It has become totalitarian. It has become almost a dictatorship where they seem to operate as if they're above the law.
The government's position on that matter is that the writs of referendum is date specific and it's so invalid now. So there's...
Look at the wording of the referendum, and I'm sure you have a copy. It doesn't say that, the wording of the injunction. The injunction does not say that you are prevented from having a referendum based on those writs. It says you are prevented from having a referendum until this matter is resolved.